Namaste, welcome to Sesreka's kitchen. Today I am making cucumber and coconut chutney. It is very spicy and very tasty. To make this delicious chutney, I have taken one Indian cucumber. Indian cucumber is also called Dosakaya or yellow lemon cucumber. I cut them into very small pieces. This is the smallest pieces I can make. I also have some finely chopped cilantro and some frozen coconut. You can use fresh or frozen coconut. You may also use frozen grated coconut if that is easy for you. So just a handful of any coconut. Let us fry some spices. First of all, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan and then add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 5 to 6 red chilies. Then add 3 to 4 green chilies depending on your spiciness. You can add more if you want, and also a few cloves of garlic. When everything is fried, add the sesame seeds and then switch off the flame. Transfer these spices into another plate and keep them aside. In the same pan, take some more oil for tempering. For tempering, I fried 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 red chilli, few curry leaves and some hing. Sorry, I lost the clip when I am adding each ingredient. Once the tempering is nicely fried, keep it aside. Now we are going to grind the spices that we fried earlier. Here I ground all my spices. Now I am going to add the coconut to it and grinding again. After grinding the coconut also, now add the tamarind. Here I am adding about 1 tablespoon of homemade frozen tamarind paste. Also add some salt and now grind these one more time. Here you can see I ground everything, the spices, coconut, tamarind, salt, everything I ground, and now I am going to add this paste to my cucumber pieces. Now mix the coconut paste, cucumber and cilantro. For this chutney, you have to cut the cucumber into very small pieces. So every piece will get the flavor and taste of the spices. If it is a bigger piece, the chutney won't be that tasty. You can taste it at this point, and if you need to add salt, you can add it now. Once these are mixed well, add the prepared tempering to the chutney and mix it well. Sorry, I am mixing with my hand, but if you mix with the hand only, all the tastes will blend together. You may use a spoon if you want. This is actually my sister's recipe. I make without the coconut, but everything else is the same. She told me to add the coconut also, and it really tastes good. I highly recommend you to try this recipe. I'm sure you will enjoy. This chutney will be super tasty with rice or quinoa. You can also eat with chapati. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please watch my Telugu channel also. There are more recipes for you to try. And don't forget to like my Facebook page.